And after the untimely death of star actor Puneeth Rajkumar, tributes have been pouring in from all corners of the country. Puneeth's mortal remains have been kept at the Kantirava Stadium for his fans to pay the last respects. Grieving fans yesterday have been visiting the stadium to pay homage to the power star for one last time. His last rites will happen tomorrow with full state honours. Once the actor's daughter reaches Bengaluru, the actor's funeral procession will begin from Kantirava Stadium to Kantirava Studio. Because of the prevalent situation, the police in Bengaluru have directed all the liquor shops in the city to remain closed for 2 nights as a precautionary measure. Security has been beefed up as well. Police Commissioner of Bengaluru, Kamal Pant, has said next stage of security arrangements will be made on the basis of decision taken by family members of Puneeth Rajkumar.
He had telephoned me day before yesterday, and he had asked me to release a website regarding Karnataka tourism. He was proactive otherwise in social media and social works also. I had inaugurated his another app for all the poor children who can take up the competitive exams. It was so shocking, and such a sorrow. Yeah, certainly state will miss him, cinema will miss him, sandalwood will miss him, and especially youths will miss him.
Nobody is expected the early death of Puneeth Rajkumar. The people of Karnataka have lost a potential and talented artist in Kannada film industry. It's a great loss to the film industry, not only to Karnataka film industry, for the entire nation, national film industry.
My father and mother are very sad. My mother is crying like anything. It's like blank ho gaya. Blank ho gaya. Full blank ho gaya. I don't know what to say. Very tough.
Whole bandobast security arrangements are throughout the city. So the total deployment is something around 6,000, and because of that we have deployed staff in shifts, and throughout the night the same bandobast has continued. And today, depending on the decision taken by the family, we will make next stage of security arrangements.
Karnataka's beloved Appu is gone. And there is an outpouring of grief across the state.
He was the youth icon of Kannada industry, and we people call him as Appu. He is our boss, and he is a power star of Karnataka film industry.
He never dies actually. He stays in our heart. He used to be one of the best actors and best dancers actually, I can say.
Puneeth's mortal remains have been kept at Bengaluru's Kantirava Stadium for fans, actors and politicians to bid a final farewell to the power star. His heartbroken fans thronged the stadium to get a last glimpse of their beloved superstar. Karnataka CM Basavaraj Bommai also arrived at the stadium to pay his tributes. Actors, not just in Sandalwood, but across the country, have condoled Puneeth's shocking death.
The news I hear is that Appu is no more. It's one of the biggest shocks I've ever faced.
It was not just the loss of a superstar, but it was a loss of a person who was so humble, and his personality was so sort of, it was amazing.
With fans inconsolable, the Bengaluru administration is taking no chances. Security has been beefed up, theatres have been shut, and sale of liquor has been stopped in Bengaluru.
We will be able to accommodate all the people who would be coming here for his darshan or to have the last glimpses of the body. Around 6,000 policemen have been deployed, and we have more than 40-45 plus KSRP platoons and 60 CR parties. Also having RAF, Rapid Action Force.
Puneet Rajkumar's final rites will be held at Kantirava Stadium with full state honours, just next to his father's memorial. With Nolan Pinto and Pratibha in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
Nolan Pinto is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru. Nolan, there are concerns also that the situation might just go out of hand. Puneet was a very, very popular star, and this outpouring of grief may then translate into law and order situation also. Do take us through the details of the kind of preparations that have been made in the city of Bengaluru before his last rites take place.
So in fact, as of now, we have new information. The Chief Minister now has decided, and along with the police officials and the entire government machinery, that the final rites will not take place this evening. Initially, yesterday, when we spoke to the police commissioner, they said that the final rites will take place on Sunday. The government also came out, released a notification saying that it will take place on Sunday. But as of now, the Chief Minister, after discussion with Puneet Rajkumar's family members, they have decided that the final rites will take place tomorrow morning, mostly in the first half of the day at the Kantirava studio. The reasons being, one, it looks like it could also rain in the city. That's one reason. Second reason, it's after 6 o'clock. Kantirava Stadium is not a studio. It's not like the stadium. It's a pretty small place. Considering the number of people coming over here, the fans coming over here, they said that let the fans come to the stadium, pay their last respect, but just a few people will be allowed at the studio where the final rites will take place with full state honours.
All right, Nolan, thanks for getting us up to speed with those developments. Nolan Pinto with an important story, Puneet Rajkumar's last rites, where now in the stadium at least his mortal remains have been kept for fans to pay their last respects.